GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
It is such a good character. It is such a well-written show. Lovely and Lola will give you all kinds of feelings. She is my Lovely and I am Lola and we are Lovely Lola.
Lovely Lola.
रफू कर ले प्यार के धागे.
I think 2 months or 3 months of a time after coming out of whatever happened in the show. So it was a difficult time for all of us because ये इमोशंस हैं. इंसान एकदम से ठीक नहीं हो सकता है किसी भी चीज़ से. दीज आर इमोशंस. पता नहीं क्यों तब मैं शायद थोड़ा अगर संभल के और अपने कदम रखती तो मे बी जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत भी मैंने कुछ अपने जो मेरे वेल विशर्स हैं या जिन लोगों से मैं सराउंडेड हूँ, गुड पीपल, उनको मैंने जो हर्ट किया है वो शायद मैं नहीं करती.
Hira Mandi released, I got a lot of people gave me so much love. People were like, why was Khana not a part of it?
All of a sudden people comes up with a poll, Priyanka or Isha, because we can't keep clarifying things. अब आ गया ना कल वीडियो तो now half of the rumor.
If you had to still define love and relationships in today's times, what would you actually say?
I think love is just a word. It makes it meaningful with other facets of life. Acceptance, adjustment. These are the facets that make love.
I think efforts, dude, efforts matter. एक इंसान कभी भी involved नहीं रह सकता है because relationship is always about two people and it always will be.
हम पिक्चरों में देखते हैं ना कि एक आदमी ऐसा मिले जो तुम्हारी फैमिली को रिस्पेक्ट करे, तुम्हारे करियर को रिस्पेक्ट करे, तुम्हारे मतलब टाइमिंग्स को रिस्पेक्ट करे. अच्छा बच्चे के साथ भी जाना है, चलो बच्चे के साथ भी चले जाओ. मतलब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह it's from Allah. He's a gifted man. Being a mother also, and then I have amazing co-actors like her who take up the responsibility. कट हो रहा है तो मैं ले जाती हूँ, उसे मैं पकड़ लेती हूँ, उसे मैं part time करा लेती हूँ.
I'm going to kidnap him.
Yeah, so she is amazing with Zihan and Zihan loves her.
When I saw the trailer of Lovely Lola, honestly speaking, I was reminded of a film that was so loved and had created a unique sense of storytelling in films a few years ago, and it was Badhai Ho. Because of the humor, because of the way relationships were being tackled, in just that 3 minutes, it gives you a hint of what you are gonna be prepared to watch. And I have the two people who are leading the show completely on their shoulders. Gauhar and Isha joining me for a conversation.
Thank you for having us here. Thank you.
Lovely and Lola in the house.
Absolutely. मतलब you tell me something. आज मैं शुरू इससे करूंगा क्योंकि आज ना माहौल ऐसा है जहां पे बहुत आसानी से नफरत फैलाया जा सकता है और नफरत को बढ़ावा बहुत दिया जाता है, especially in a place like social media, right? But there are very few things that come and make you smile. This is one such show from the trailer that we know that is gonna make you feel content, feel satisfied. You may cry, like you said, that there'll be tears, there'll be every kind
because
of emotion.
There
then
are
you'll be
many
happy.
beautiful emotional scenes also in the show which were not in the promo.
Yeah. But tell me something, like, how important is it for artists today to have a show like this, which actually eventually makes your audience feel good? It's a feel-good show eventually.
Yeah, I actually keep sending Sargun and Ravi and Bharti, who's the creator of the show also. I keep sending them thank you messages. कि thank you मुझे Lola देने के लिए, and thank you मुझे to think of me for Lola, and thank you. Then Sargun says, my first name was you only. Lola जैसी उन लोगों ने reading में बोला, मैंने बोला गौहर खान. तो फिर भी मैं उनको बोलती no, but thank you, because it is such a good character. It is such a well-written show. Lovely and Lola will give you all kinds of feelings.
Yeah.
आप हंसोगे, आप रोओगे, आप चिल्लाओगे, आप चीखोगे, आप खुश होगे, आपको बुरा लगेगा, आप सस्पेंस में रहोगे, आपको लगेगा शिट इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है. आप you'll go through the entire journey with these two female protagonists. Stories and उनकी कहानियाँ, and of course then there are other किरदार in the show that will just keep you more entertained. So this kind of show really needed a platform which didn't need interference.
Yeah.
Whether it is channels input, whether it is a OTT platforms input. I think Ravi and Sargun independently have taken up just writing, like the writing of a show very seriously. And then the treatment has been given freedom that कि आप जो director हैं अभिजीत दास हमारे show के, कि आप उसे as real as possible का treatment लीजिए, as entertaining as possible का treatment लीजिए. कोई pressure नहीं है कि हमें viewers इतना चाहिए, views तो आएंगे ही, show अच्छा होगा तो views आएंगे ही. And इसीलिए इस show को जब आप देखेंगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि यार जिंदगी ऐसी ही होती है. अगर माँ बेटी लड़ रही हैं, किस वजह से लड़ रही हैं, तो वो ऐसे ही लड़ेंगी. And that's why I loved being a part of this show. I just loved the space that they've created, Rimi Atta Drama, the page, and the entertainment that they promised to give.
What about you?
Yeah, I think I'm happy about the fact that it is going to be on YouTube firstly. You know, it is a very unique concept.
Absolutely.
And it's so unique and so beautiful of Sargun ma'am and Ravi sir to think, to take the risk and launch something like this.
Yeah.
You know, उनको पता नहीं है, they are not sure about the fact कि ओ हम लवली लोला का ट्रेलर डालेंगे और वो इतना बूम हो जाएगा, सबको पसंद
Viral
आएगा.
तो हो गया है boss.
वो तो होना ही था. But you know, to take this risk of putting all your efforts into something which is very new
Unseen.
and nobody unseen, new and nobody has does this in the industry as producers also, and they are actors too. So I think very mindful of them to do it and to launch it on YouTube. Plus the concept, you know, people in India, कुछ एक चीज missing था TV के अलावा, तो वो था we are always looking for some good Pakistani dramas, you know. मैं अपनी भी बात करूं,
Korean drama, Turkish drama.
मैं अपनी भी बात करूं तो आज मैं अगर YouTube खोल के बैठी हूं तो मैं कुछ हानिया आमिर का सर्च कर लूं या कुछ फवाद खान का सर्च कर लूं. सो आई एम हैप्पी कि हम लोगों को मौका मिला कुछ प्ले करने को in which we are portraying real emotions जिससे नॉर्मल घर गृहस्थी के लोग रिलेट कर सके कि ओ हाँ यार हम भी सोने चाहते हैं तो गहने पहन के नहीं लेट रहे हैं बेड पे. We are in our night suits normally, no lipstick, no makeup, nothing. Finally, we are a part of a show which is going to portray raw, real, and every kind of emotion.
And trust me, there are scenes that मैं complete भी नहीं कर पा रही थी. They know कि she in one of the scenes she looked at me and she said, "आप ठीक हो?" मतलब I couldn't even complete that, and that's how deep the show is. That's how deep the journeys of Lovely and Lola are.
Yeah.
कि क्या हुआ इनके साथ, ऐसी ये क्यों है, and आपको लगेगा कि सिर्फ comedy surface level है, नहीं, you will get a very deep message.
Yeah, absolutely. Because it's Ravi and Sargun, they always come up with very, very, very interesting female characters and very strong-headed female characters.
Yeah.
You know, I saw this video. I was going to speak about something else, but मेरे को ये आया दिमाग में when you spoke about female writers. I did this interview with Shah Rukh Khan just when Dear Zindagi was about to release or it had just released. Either of the two. I did two, but मुझे याद नहीं कौन सा वाला था. I think pre-release था. It was in his Vanity Van and it was directed by Gauri Shinde. He said that I am so used to now working with Farah and working with Gauri, and it was coming back to back, right? So he's like, मुझे ना female directors का जो नजरिया होता है ना, female writers का जो नजरिया होता है, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Because, and he's like, I like that touch. They have a very sensitive, softer touch. मुझे और मर्दों के साथ काम नहीं करना. This is he has that. Correct. And he's a born feminist, you know. Yeah. Like he's a gentleman who knows how to respect everybody in the room. True. And one person who I know that we three especially like really, really connect to and admire.
Is Ravi Dubey.
Yeah. Also, he's also exactly like that, like you rightly said. I saw this video of yours. You were on stage with him at an event where you really got emotional and you spoke about what you feel for him, right? How important is it today as female artists to have that voice? And you know, men shouldn't allow, but men who don't have an issue with women having that agency and voice in life in general. Also personally, given that you have a father who's been so supportive of you, you have a family who's been always supportive, you had a father, you have a husband, you have in-laws, everybody who supports you, who equally is there and letting you fly. How important is it?
Extremely important.
Yeah.
I think, yes, men as well and women in your life.
Absolutely.
And women in your life need to be supportive. our mothers play a very important role in letting us live our dreams. I mean, she
Yeah.
has a mother who is there with her at every step.
Yeah.
So it's very, very important to have a support system in place. And then dunya is different. Matlab, they are audience, but your core has to be extremely supportive.
Yes,
And
family has to be supportive because it cannot be only one person.
Yeah.
It just cannot be my father who's supportive, but my mother is not liking
Yeah.
what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Then it becomes a task for both of them also and for me also to manage कि यार एक को पसंद आ रहा है एक को नहीं आ रहा. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पापा को बहुत पसंद होता बट मम्मी को नहीं होता तो शायद मैं नहीं रह रही होती यहाँ क्योंकि
Yeah.
अकेले तो वो नहीं रहने देंगे. It was my parents' decision. उन्होंने
Yeah.
डिसाइड किया कि कोई बात नहीं, my father was ready to sacrifice कि मैं दूर रह लूंगा, it's okay, but you be with her because she is a girl and you guys are going out of our small town and small city for the first time, so you go with her and till the time she's 25, 26, you can leave her there after that.
Dreamy Aata, it's called, right? Dreams are such an important part of all our lives, right? Because कोई था नहीं जिंदगी में कि आपको मतलब आप गिरो तो उठाने वाले बहुत लोग हैं बट इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि तुम गिरते जाओ हम फिर भी उठाते जाएंगे you have always been revered for any role that you have done. But I want to ask you one really honest question and you have to be honest about it. Do you still feel the film industry, not otherwise, the film industry has not been able to do justice with the kind of roles they have come to you with? After you delivered a Rocket Singh and all of that, do you still feel like there's a potential of yours that has not been explored yet?
Yeah, but I mean, who am I to say that this is what I, should get or this is what I shouldn't get? I mean, I came from Pune city, and after becoming Miss India, I didn't know that I'm going to get any work. Forget being in films. I didn't know I was going to get a ramp show, but there were people who spotted my talent. Mark Robinson, Lubna Adams, Anu Ahuja, all the choreographers that I've worked with, they've all been a driving force in putting me out there and showing my talent. And did I say, nahi, I am very talented, but you should have given me work? No, I am of the outlook कि भाई मेरा काम मुझे दिखाता गया और मेरा टैलेंट जिनको स्पॉट करना था उन्होंने स्पॉट किया, इसीलिए मैं आज यहाँ 22 साल से रेलेवेंट हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. तो अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि यार मैंने अभी तक शाहरुख खान के साथ फिल्म नहीं करी है या मैंने सलमान खान के साथ फिल्म नहीं करी है या मैंने व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सक्सेस टू समवन इज नॉट माय सक्सेस डेफिनेशन. माय डेफिनेशन ऑफ सक्सेस इज Alhamdulillah, do I have a comfortable life for my family? Do I have a comfortable, mindset, peace in my mind that what I am doing is making me happy?
Yeah.
And yesterday, Nayan, man who was not in the forefront of the project at all, I think he works in Dreamy Aata somewhere in the Bombay office. He came up to me and he said, "Hi Gaur, we've met once before and I want to tell you something." I said, "Hi." Of course, I remembered the face, so I said, "How are you?" and everything. And he was so kind, and he left me with something which will really, it'll be in my heart always. He said, "You know what, Gaur, I don't know if anyone's ever told you, but I want to tell you this: you're a force to reckon with."
That's true. I will say the same.
It moved me. It moved me so much. Because आप अपने काम के जद्दोजहद में चलते रहते हो. आप काम करते हो, आप अच्छा काम करते हो, छोड़ते हो, निकल जाते हो. अच्छा काम करते हो विद द होप कि भाई कोई मेरा काम देखेगा, कोई मुझे और काम देगा, कोई whatever. You are doing your best. But that guy to tell me that within the production house we all talk about how for 22 years you have been relevant and today also you command that respect, that grace, that
Absolutely.
For me that meant a lot, and that is victory for me.
Yeah.
So like I have been there for the last 22 years, I pray and hope that there will be people who will give me the work that my potential deserves. I mean, if Ali Abbas Zafar, Habib Faisal, Vikas Behel, name it, Sujit Mukherjee, from all production houses to everything, if I have worked with everybody, am I going to complain about anything in my life? कि मुझे उतना बड़ा मतलब Z5, every platform, you name it, Netflix. I mean, I've been a host on a show on Netflix. I've had 2-3 releases on Amazon Prime. So what am I going to complain about?
I'll tell you. So there is a Reddit post. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to look it up.
Yeah.
Because they were writing a post saying, this actress deserves to be in this role.
Yeah.
Okay, comment. And then there was a thread. Like they always say कि अरे इस actress को मुझे लगता है कि ये role में ना इस actress को होना चाहिए था,
Yeah.
ठीक है? So there was a very important role where they felt that I can't name, I will
Yeah,
tell you.
of course.
They said that why did they take her when you have actors like Gauhar Khan? And they brought it up because of Rocket Singh.
Yeah.
Do you understand the whole
Yeah.
thing? And then there was a whole thread. That whole thread
Yeah.
had comments about favoritism,
Yeah.
which I feel is a huge problem anywhere. You know,
Yeah.
nepotism लोग
Yeah.
करते हैं, but इतना कुछ nepotism का
Yeah.
नहीं होता. There are many people from film families who deserve to be here, but the problem is favoritism. When somebody is favored over somebody more talented, that is the problem. So that's why I asked you, because
Yeah,
I
but
know that you are a force to
I
reckon
know,
with.
Nayan. Thank you so much. You are very kind, and I love you for that. But the point is that I still want to. It's like when you know, like Hiramandi released, I got a lot of people.
It was for that.
So a lot of people gave me so much love.
It
I
was for
would
that.
call it love, but I would
I
call
just
it
said
love.
it.
I would call it love. I would say that if people were like, why was Gauhar Khan not a part of
It was for that.
Yeah, it was. I don't know.
It
about
was.
that.
I'm talking about the poor
But I'm
it was
just
that.
telling you that I take it as a compliment, and I pray,
course.
and I pray that if my name came up, that I should have been a part of Hira Mandi. I keep my fingers crossed like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and I hope that when Hira Mandi comes next, I hope that if the light didn't come somewhere or something like that, I hope and pray कि भाई मुझे संजय लीला बंसाली के साथ जो मैं 20 साल से मैनिफेस्ट कर रही हूँ वो मुझे मिल जाए इंशाल्लाह. But I see it as a positive.
Absolutely
Nayan.
positive.
And I never ever feel कि यार मुझे इतना मिल सकता था या मुझे मैं आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अगर 20-22 साल बाद I am still in Leeds and I am getting amazing work where I can
Absolutely.
cry and laugh and leave an impression with my performance, and I'm living up my life. I love it.
Absolutely. And you, I have to come to you and tell you that you played.
Lovely. She's my lovely, and I'm Lola, and we are lovely Lola.
Lovely Lola.
Listen, आपने तो आपका जो शो था उसमें भी there was another strong female character with you.
Yeah.
Here you have another strong female character with you.
Yeah.
You have a very, very strong female character at home who is emotional, sensitive, and also very sensible, because I have had the good fortune of meeting her multiple times and I know what she means to you and what you mean to her. And of course, why not? I want to know this, that whenever there are people, especially women, working together, unfortunately it never happens with men, although men are more egoistic than women.
Yeah.
Women are always pitted against each other. When you did that show, अभी तो thankfully यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ है, but when you did that show, you guys were constantly pitted against each other. There were labels thrown at each other,
Yeah.
and then you came on Big Boss the next year. So it was again like comparisons. And does that ever get to you? Because you know the reality. Yesterday I saw you with Priyanka. I know what you guys share.
Yeah.
Does that ever get?
It's like whenever. So yesterday, me and Priyanka were discussing the same thing, that why the hell do people think that we don't get along? What is the problem? Why don't people understand this simple thing, that on-screen thing and off-screen thing is completely
Absolutely.
different? We chill really well. हम लोग बहुत मजे करते हैं, हम बहुत डांस करते हैं. If we are in the same party, there's no
I've seen
chance कि प्रियंका कहीं अलग डांस करी और ईशा कहीं अलग डांस करी. You know what I mean? We are always together.
Yeah.
So I have love and respect for her in my heart, but I don't know why people have to always have a fight about these. All of a sudden, people comes up with a poll: Priyanka or Isha. That
But
poll
that's
is
all-
always there,
but
you
that's
know.
all a social media
Yeah.
thing. That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's a
Of course,
social media thing.
But
So,
women
I feel-
can be amazing on sets,
Yeah.
and we have been fantastic.
Yes. So this is one thing which I have understood, that let it be, because we can't keep clarifying things.
Yeah.
It is just none of my business. It's okay if you think me and Priyanka are not getting along well or something like that. You can keep thinking that. Ab aa gaya na kal video, so now half of the rumor cleared.
But even with you, you have had a fantastic association with women all along. Like
Always.
you've done a movie which has 7 women.
Yeah.
Right? And I feel like
With
Begum Jan.
Begum Jan.
Okay.
So how is it different from working with men? Do you feel a sense of sensitivity and sensibility, a little difference there?
No, not at all. I think it depends on an individual. जैसे Lovely
Yeah.
Lola पे, there's Nani, there's me, there's Isha. there's one boy Nikhil Khurana who's our hero and he's fantastic too. हमारा ऐसा होता है ना कि निखिल और हम जब बैठते हैं we are like in bro mode and जब हम नानी के साथ होते हैं तो we are like ladies यार नानी जी क्या खाएंगे we used to
निखिल के साथ अब ब्रो मोड से भी कुछ अलग ही
हाँ,
चले
इनका
गए
कुछ
हम
ही जा रहा है मतलब ये
because
तो उसकी टांग खींच रही थी सारा time.
we have gone to some another level
Yeah,
and
but-
when the trio is sitting साथ में एकदम lovely Lona and Arjun all three of them together it's
But you saw it in the
crazy,
party
right?
yesterday,
Absolutely.
right? Everybody gets along with everybody.
Yeah.
And Lovely Lola की actually I would say Dreamy Aata drama की बात ही ये है कि because the tree, the apex of the tree is so good, which are the producers Ravi and Sargun, everybody falls in line because everybody knows that भाई यार कोई कलेश का space है ही
हाँ.
नहीं. सब कलेश सब बाहर
सब
छोड़
मस्ती
के
कर
आए.
रहे थे कल
हाँ,
साथ में
It was
साथ
so
में.
much fun.
We've
It
had
was
so
fun.
much fun last 3 months. Aisha, Karan,
Yeah,
the three
yeah,
of us,
everybody.
me in
Imagine-
Chandigarh.
हम लोग 2 अलग शोज शूट करे पर फिर भी हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन इतना टॉप नॉच है दैट वी मेक श्योर कि हम पांचों एक दिन में एक बार तो सेम जगह पर टकरा ही जाए
हाँ,
और
बड़ा
5
मजा
मिनट
आया।
खड़े होके बात करते कि हाँ रफू में क्या हो रहा है, हाँ लवली लोला इज डूइंग ग्रेट, आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, सो इट्स अ वेरी चिल वाइब.
It's lovely.
but I want
It's
to
Lola. हम ऐसे कहते हैं सेट पे लवली बुक अगर किसी ने बोल दिया तो सब कहते हैं लोला.
Lola.
Yeah. Because lovely Lola is now the same term.
But I want to ask you this, that I know you're single, but if you had to define, and you are married happily with a beautiful child, if you had to still define love and relationships in today's times, what would you actually say?
In today's times or any time?
Anytime.
I think love is just a word. It makes it meaningful with other facets of life. Respect, friendship, adulation, being in awe of someone, acceptance, adjustment. These are the facets that make love.
Yeah.
Love is not I love you, you love me. For me, it is all other factors that conclude if you are in love or not. I think that's what is love for me.
आई थिंक एफर्ट्स डूड, एफर्ट्स मैटर. एक इंसान कभी भी इन्वॉल्व नहीं रह सकता है बिकॉज रिलेशनशिप इज ऑलवेज अबाउट 2 people एंड इट
Mature
ऑलवेज
होगी
विल
बेबी.
बी
कितनी-
ऑफ
कितनी
कोर्स.
अच्छी बढ़िया बात बोल रही है. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
I want to say something which I can't say on camera right now. It's fine.
So it has to be 2 people always who are equally involved, because ऐसा तो कभी नहीं वर्कआउट हो पाएगा वो if only the one
ऐसा तो
person
नहीं-
is.
कभी वर्कआउट नहीं हो पाएगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि एक ही इंसान यू इमेजिन एफर्ट दिए जा रहा है भाई, उसकी भी एक लेवल होगा,
Yeah.
एक सीमा रहेगी कि वो थक हार जाएगा इंसान कि ओके मैन, यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, आई कांट कीप गोइंग ऑन लाइक दिस. सो या
Also, it's a beautiful mother-daughter.
और बातें
Yeah.
करती है ना मुझे
Suddenly.
बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
no, but because that's a mature question also now, so that's why.
Also because experience teaches you everything.
मेरी लवली बड़ी हो गई.
I'll Paytm 150 rupees.
Yeah.
क्लासेस चलती है
Classes
भाई,
चलती
हंसो
हैं.
मत.
तो किसको कितना पैसा मिला है
नहीं
इसमें?
नहीं, इन्हीं को मिलता है क्योंकि यही टीचर है.
अच्छा. How much did you earn?
No, yeah. I'm earning love.
Love, only love.
Yeah.
I have never come across a single person, or maybe I don't roam around with people who have never given you love.
Ah.
Like, it's just weird. And I always say it out aloud that if I was a girl, I would have been exactly like Gohar.
Yeah.
Because we are like, our ideologies are weirdly so similar. Maybe
Yeah.
when
Except the fact that you allow cheating and I don't.
I allow cheating in
Yeah.
the game when
Yeah.
others are doing. But
For
if anybody
that guy.
cheats when I am playing,
Ah.
I am exactly like you. So yeah, that way. But when we speak about all this, Isha, you're very young, right?
Yeah.
You have seen those days where things have been said, things have been written, and all of that. Same has happened with you. You are very young. Did it ever get to you? Does it ever get to you? Does it ever get to your parents? Because you guys don't come from that pedigree or that backing where you're prepared to face
Yeah.
this side of the world.
Of course, that I think 2 months or 3 months of a time after coming out of whatever happened in the show. So it was a difficult time for all of us because, यू नो ये इमोशंस हैं, इंसान एकदम से ठीक नहीं हो सकता है किसी भी चीज़ से. दीज आर इमोशंस. ये एक ह्यूमन नेचर है कि आपको अगर कोई बात खटक रही है, आपको बुरा लग रहा है, वो ठीक होने में इट विल टेक टाइम. एंड आई एम हैप्पी, टचवुड, थिंग्स आर गोइंग रियली वेल नाउ और सब सॉर्ट हो चुका है धीरे धीरे. बट आई स्टिल फील कि पता नहीं क्यों तब मैं शायद थोड़ा अगर संभल के और अपने कदम रखती तो मे बी जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत भी मैंने कुछ अपने जो मेरे वेल विशर्स हैं या जिन लोगों से मैं सराउंडेड हूँ, गुड पीपल, उनको मैंने जो हर्ट किया है वो शायद मैं नहीं करती इफ़ मैं थोड़ी प्रोटेक्टिव रहती अपने आप को लेके, अपनी इमेज को लेके या वॉट एवर,
अपने इमोशंस को लेके,
अपने इमोशंस को लेके. सो आई स्टिल फील कि हाँ वो मेरी एक गलती थी. आई रिग्रेट दैट, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स लाइफ, सो एक्सपीरियंस पार्ट ऑफ इट.
yeah,
She's too young.
absolutely. And it's a lovely mother-daughter story, right?
Yeah.
So I want to come to this. For you,
It's a lovely Lola.
lovely Lola mother-daughter story.
Yeah.
Okay, now I want to ask you.
Plug in हर जगह बनता है. हर
अरे,
जगह.
you really have to. I am the unspoken spokesperson for everything that you guys do. You know, when we speak about Zaid, his relationship with your mom is outstanding.
Yeah.
I think the loyalties are also slowly shifting towards that side. Okay, I want to know, like, how important was it for you to have your parents love the person who you wanted? Because I remember before you met Zaid, during a Zoom call conversation, we had spoken at length about love, and you had spoken about how you have not found love, and
Yeah.
you came from a place of hurt.
Yeah.
I think Zaid is that medicine is not only spread it on that wound, I think he has just spread love all around the household, touchwood.
Yeah.
How important was it?
Zaid is like in my wedding video I've said this line, and when you asked me the question I remember this, is that Zaid is that answer, the prayers that I've been making to Allah. Allah says put it all in one answer and said ये लो, ये तुम्हारा ले लो पार्सल, बहुत टाइम से तुम बहुत सारी दुआएं दे रहे हो, मैं सब एक में डाल के तुमको एक इंसान में दे देता हूँ. Alhamdulillah, I can't thank Allah enough for Zaid in all facets. He is the perfect. हम पिक्चरों में देखते हैं ना कि एक आदमी ऐसा मिले जो तुम्हारी फैमिली को रिस्पेक्ट करे, तुम्हारे करियर को रिस्पेक्ट करे, तुम्हारे मतलब टाइमिंग्स को रिस्पेक्ट करे. मतलब तुम कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा कि भाई क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, तुम कौन से पाथ पे चल रहे हो, तुम कौन सा करियर ले रहे हो, अच्छा बच्चे के साथ भी जाना है, चलो बच्चे के साथ भी चले जाओ. मतलब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, ही इज़ जस्ट अ वेरी, coming from a not so linear childhood also, but still it's from Allah. He's a gifted man. He's my gift.
He is.
Alhamdulillah.
And so are you to him. And he knows it and he says it every time.
And I say it. It's
Yeah.
like every time we're like, lovely Lola ka Zaid Gaur. It's that sad.
I swear headlines are going to be Zaid.
Yeah.
But it is true that we love you, Zaid.
Yeah.
I love Gohar a little more, but I love you a lot. What about you? How important is it for you to be with somebody who your parents approve and love a lot, like they connect with?
After what all has happened, it is very important.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it is important. And she told me one thing ki, you know, a person who is nice to you, but he is not nice to other people, वो किसी काम का नहीं है. क्योंकि वो जो वहाँ पे कर रहा है, वो 4 दिन बाद वही सेम चीज तुम्हारे साथ भी करेगा. So you always remember this. So yeah, I think that's true. It is important.
Another blessing.
Yeah.
Who you have to make me meet.
Who you have to come and meet.
I will come and meet. I
Yeah.
will come and meet. And अभी मुझे जूते पड़ेंगे अगर मैंने और कुछ बोला. But
Yes.
नहीं, not because it's over time. Because I genuinely have to go meet.
Yeah.
Him. I have seen him in your vlogs, in those videos. मतलब touchwood, he's such a happy child. He's exactly like the two of you. He's happy. He's running around. He's doing everything. How has life altered, or the priorities in life? And priorities, when I say, I'm not talking about people's priorities, work-wise, everything. How has the schedule and everything changed with him in your life today?
I'm just working, very happily, gratefully. with being a mother also, and then I have amazing co-actors like her who take up the responsibility. Cut हो रहा है तो मैं ले जाती हूँ, उसे मैं पकड़ लेती हूँ, उसे मैं part time करा लेती
I'm
हूँ
going to
उसे,
kidnap him.
yeah, so she's amazing with Zihan, and Zihan loves her. It's a blessing is all I will say. It's amazing that I have this opportunity where I can do both, and mashallah, he's a very easy child to manage, and I don't want to take that for granted, but it's been amazing.
But I will definitely say this, that knowing both of you and knowing the families, I'm going to say that 25 years later, I will still be sitting here and I'll be saying this with immense pride and enthusiasm, that he is exactly like you and Zed. And I know that the kind of people that you are, the upbringing will be such where he'll grow up to be a very sensitive, sensible and empathetic
He already is,
person.
mashallah, he's amazing.
I have seen him with animals, I've seen him with other people
You have
around.
to ask.
He's in love with birdies
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah.
And genuinely, you know that both of you will always be very, very close to my heart. And anything you guys
Lovely
do,
Lola! But listen, you have to watch the show. It's releasing tomorrow, 25th December.
First episode is coming on Dreamyata Drama's YouTube channel, so please.
Subscribe kariye, and after the first episode, the next episode comes on 2nd Jan. And
which is Saturday.
Yes, and after that, every Thursday and Saturday evening 8:15 p.m.
Done.
So
Please
subscribe
don't
kariye.
be busy with it.
Bell icon on करके रखिए.
Listen, with you guys, I don't have to be busy with
And you have
anything.
to call me after every
Done.
episode and tell me
Done.
what you think. Okay.
Done.
Because Lovely Lola is going to move you. I'm telling you.
यार, I heard that आपकी तो आइटम सॉन्ग्स भी है उसमें.
हाँ,
मुझे बोल दिया गया है किसी
Lola
ने.
is not a basic mother. I tell you. She's a
मेरा जो
mommy.
गाना आएगा ना.
What is the name of the
नाम
song?
है
बोलो. आप तो
No, we
लोला
can't reveal.
लोला के आसपास ही
लोला
है.
के आसपास नाम है. Okay.
तो
We can give hints, please.
कॉपीराइट लेके तो बैंड बजा देंगे ये लोग.
कुछ नहीं आएगा. कुछ
It's
नहीं
like
आएगा.
नाम है. I said
नाम
नाम
है.
है.
हाँ. नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया 2 गाने. इसके ऊपर जो एक गाना है
ओहो
उसमें तो ये इसको कल ऑलरेडी बोल चुकी है, राम ना पौंधी मेरे नाम लगा दो, प्यार ना पौंधी लगा दो. She's already said in the press con, and I could see Ravi and Sargun going.
song.
But Ravi and Sargun only came up and told me that
She's announced it on the press.
Yeah, I said अरे आप लोग को गाना सुनोगे ना, आप लोग का दिमाग हिल जाएगा. प्यार ना पौंधी.
But it is true. But
But
we
they
have
are
never
very
had shows with such great songs.
Anyway,
And
Dreamy Atta is very good
With
the
songs.
I hope you loved Rafu's song also.
Absolutely.
It was a great song.
कर ले प्यार के धागे
धागों से.
something.
now I think after this we should do मतलब जब 5 shows आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि बाकी 3 भी अनाउंस हो चुके हैं, we should do a round table. Means this round table will be
No,
easy for me to do.
Thank
No,
you.
I be
Please,
like Lovely Lola.
yeah,
Lovely
we like
Lola,
Lovely Lola
exclusive, but
exclusive.
we will do round table also.
No,
ना
no,
पूरा
no.
Dreamy Atta की टीम के
no.
साथ.
That
no,
will
no,
depend if Dreamy Atta gives me another show, then we
They
talk.
will of course give Ravi and Sargun.
Very greedy people
Yeah,
in the house.
Please, let's talk about. कल हमने किया ना सबके साथ.
But you know, they have a history of repeating their actors.
I know,
So-
yeah, we are kidding.
So-
Yeah, we are kidding. But no, seriously, we love everybody. We
Yes.
love all of them. But अभी हम Lovely Lola की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो we're sticking to Lovely Lola, okay? Just
Done.
because मतलब हाँ.
Done.
I think we are done with it.
Thank you so much and all the best.
It's always amazing with you, Nayan.
It's always amazing with all of you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.